How to fix iPhone no SIM card problem. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the problem like no SIM card error on your iPhone. So let's get started. At first, simply as you have to restart your iPhone for fixing the software glitches. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. From general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option shutdown. After you tap on that and restart your iPhone, your problem should be gone. If you are still facing that problem, make sure that you have correctly inserted your SIM. Simply you can eject your SIM card tray and check it and confirm. After you reinsert your SIM card and still having this problem, you'll have to reset the network settings. For that, from the general section, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, simply tap on the reset option. From here, tap on reset network, or you can also delete all the eSIMs by tapping on the option delete all eSIMs if you have been activating eSIMs. Now from here, enter your iPhone passcode. Alright, simply from here tap on reset network settings. After you reset network settings on your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.